Hello everyone. In this lesson, I'll show you how you can export an image from the Earth Engine API to your Google Drive. So in the previous lesson, we have seen how you can clip a satellite image, an example from the Sentinel satellite, and subsetted it or just clipped it. So we had the raw data, scene level Sentinel image, and then we have used the clipping feature in Earth Engine and generated a clipped version for Paris in the previous lecture. So now what we're gonna do is just we'll be exporting this to our Google Drive. So this is the clipped version. That's Sentinel data over Paris. We're gonna export this. So to export that, I'll just write, it's just to export to Google Drive. And then I'm gonna use the Earth Engine built-in function. Let's see. I'm gonna use the Earth Engine built-in function, which is export image to drive. That's a built-in Earth Engine function, which takes. Let's do a curly bracket here to store some of our parameters. So it takes image. In this case, we're gonna provide the clipped image, which is this one. We have already done the clipping in the previous lecture. And then let's just and then one thing is, if you want the visualization as you see it on the Earth Engine, you cannot visualize. This should be S. Visualize. All right, visualize, and then we have visualization parameter here. You can pass that. So if you want the raw image, you don't have to do this part. And description, we can say Sentinel Paris. You can say Sentinel Paris for the description. Scale is 10 meters, spatial resolution. Region parameter is our region of interest, ROI. That's about it. And let's close our function here. That's it. So when we execute this, it should export this image to Google Drive. Let's click that, run. When you export that, it will show you the tasks. The tasks button will be showing you an orange color. That means it's active. There's an active task. So the export task is ready, which is Sentinel Paris. I'll go ahead and click that, run, and I'll just leave all of the parameters right there, and drive is to Google Drive. If you want cloud storage asset, it's different, but for this example, Drive should be fine, which is we're exporting it to Google Drive. So all right, so once you export, the Earth Engine export task is processing. You can see it's moving here. Once that task is complete, it will show you a check mark and the time that it took to complete that task. And then immediately after that, you should be able to see that in your Google Drive.